Okay, so since I've had this boat, the bilge has had a bit of water in it. I wanted to get it as clean as I possibly could. Clean, it's not the word dry. Some important parts. On a Catalina 30 you have a compression post. This is it here. Goes all the way up to the mast. You've got your wiring up there as well. Comes down and has a block underneath here. This doesn't look so good because it's got layers of paint and junk and just goop, but it is solid. I even stabbed it with a screwdriver. Yeah, something. No, that's just paint. That's something to check for. Also, often you might put, okay, so in the head, the stand-up shower or the wet head comes out right here. Again, this is all filthy, but that's just old paint that's scraping off and it's been full of water. Ugh, for a while. These keel bolts are holding the keel on. Stainless, I believe. I believe they're stainless, yeah. And they're in good shape. I don't see any cracks around the base. They're nasty, but they are solid. There's no wobbling. And this is all just fiberglass down here. I want to paint it, get it really dried out, but I'm going to need a shop vac. I have to hold a lot more towels than I have. Another keel boat, good shape, good condition, just dirty. This is a little float switch that goes to, that, you know, obviously, it floats, water raises up, turns on the bilge. Bilge is functional. I have replaced that switch just recently. It could use another screw. You can see where the old one was there, and it just quit working. Bilge pump, although it's basically working, you know, another reason I wanted to dry her out was to get down there and get all the goop out. Back here, more paint chips. I mean, the paint chips just collect all the crap, and not literally, but you know, all the junk, and goop up, and it's going to clog your. There's your manual bilge there. There's a manual bilge handle outside the companionway out there, just on the port side of the boat. But all together, you got your 12 volt running in here to the on-off switch, and then it turns on your bilge. But this is the step one, getting all the water out. I'm going to put a fan on it, dry it out, sweep it out, and then come back and paint her. Because we're getting closer and closer to getting out of here, getting out of the marina and getting moving. Again, good points are the compression post stump down there, block is in good shape. Got good drainage from the head. All the keel bolts are solid, no cracks. And I might want to bolt that down a little better. She just needs to be vacuumed out. Probably a little bit, definitely a little bit of scraping and sanding, and then paint her white with some deck paint. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that beautiful bit of progress we got going on. Once we get the exhaust hose over here in the engine, which is right underneath there, it's going to run up and through, and then out the back, and then back down. We'll be good to go, man. We'll be rocking and rolling, getting out into the bay. Little trip down to Galveston. I'm going to see how she handles and get used to her, and then take a little bit of a more substantial trip very soon. So that's step one in cleaning out the bilge there for my vast experience.